In this video, I will show you how to connect your Capital.com account to TradingView. This is useful if you want to use TradingView charts and place trades through your Capital.com broker account. To get started, open your browser and go to TradingView. Once TradingView opens, make sure you are signed into your account. Next, open any chart you want to use. It can be a forex pair, crypto chart, stock, index, commodity, or any other market available on TradingView. Once the chart is open, go to the top right corner of the screen. Here, click on Trade. This will open the Broker Connection panel, where you can choose a broker to connect with TradingView. Now, scroll through the list of brokers until you find Capital.com. Click on Capital.com, then select Connect. TradingView will now take you to the Capital.com sign-in page. Sometimes this may open in a new window or pop-up, so make sure your browser allows pop-ups for TradingView. Now, enter your Capital.com login details and continue. If you have both a demo account and a real account, make sure you choose the correct one before moving forward. After logging in, Capital.com may ask you to approve the connection with TradingView. Review the request, then click Authorize, Allow, or Continue, depending on what appears on your screen. Once the connection is approved, you should be taken back to TradingView. Now, your Capital.com account should be linked successfully. To check this, open the Trade panel again and see if Capital.com appears as connected. After that, you can start using TradingView with your Capital.com account. You may be able to view your balance, place trades, manage open positions, and monitor everything directly from the TradingView chart. If Capital.com does not show in the broker list, it may depend on your region, your account type, or whether the broker connection is available for your TradingView account. And if you have trouble connecting, first check that your login details are correct. Also make sure your Capital.com account is active and that your browser is not blocking pop-ups. You can also refresh the TradingView page, sign out and sign back in, then try connecting Capital.com again from the Trade panel. And that's it. This is how you connect Capital.com to TradingView. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials.